Hello fellow creatives, welcome to our tutorial today where we'll be diving into the world of simple animations. We'll be learning how to modify and edit these animations, making them truly your own. So grab a cuppa and let's get started. To begin, we're going to set some keyframes. Position your object at the desired starting frame, hit that I key, and select the property you want to animate. It could be location, rotation, or scale, whatever tickles your fancy. Repeat this process to set the ending position. Now Blender automatically creates smooth motion between keyframes based on interpolation settings. You can control the motion's behavior by adjusting interpolation types, such as linear, Bezier, or easing. It's a bit like being a puppet master, isn't it? Next, press the play button or scrub through the timeline to preview the animation. You can refine the animation by manipulating keyframes or adjusting animation curves using the graph editor or the dope sheet. Now, if you're repositioning a camera in a scenario with significant size differences, here's what you do. First, select the camera you want to reposition in the 3D viewport. Then, go into the animation workspace by clicking on the animation button. Make changes to the camera position only at the keyframes of the animation. Use the dope sheet editor to locate these keyframes. Adjust the camera position by moving it within the 3D viewport to the desired location. With the camera selected and the mouse pointer within the 3D viewport, press the I key. Select Available from the menu options that appear. This changes the existing keyframe on the current frame without affecting any other frames. Here's a little nugget of wisdom for you. The camera to view option aligns the active camera to match the current view in the 3D viewport. This allows for quick positioning and alignment. The shortcut for camera to view is Control, Alt, and numpad 0. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered how to modify animations and reposition cameras while maintaining existing animation keyframes. Thanks for joining me today. Next up, we'll be exploring how to move from Figma prototype to Blender. So keep your creative juices flowing, and I'll see you then.